think I got everything. Oh, go. I think that is frozen. Frozen trails are fun trails. Too close to the thing. Yeah. Nice. Wow. Nice. Anybody else? Wow. Ah! I spun on the rock. Don't you guys love how Ting says, I'm slow, I'll go ahead. But yeah, we haven't caught her yet. Yeah. Okay, I got like, there's like 2 or 3 more behind me. They're a little ways back though. There's not supposed to be any people in this trail, are there? That's why we came here. Yeah, gotcha. Here? That's funny. Oh, you guys are going way too slow for me. Did you even try to clear this shit? Oh, that's no fucking way anyway. Yeah, that's a hell of a feature. It's a hell of a view up here. This section is impossible to ride, but it is a hell of a view.
Telling Brian to get out of my way.
I guess I should get out of Perkins' way.
Perkins' way. Perkins Highway. Go, go, go. Done. Woo! Nice. Zach.
Zach? No. Oh!
So that, from here to the actual top where we'll be in, like, I don't know, 45 minutes, that's like 2 miles. And then we have this, the rest of this. That's that far.
So now let me ask you a question.
My eyes are watering, I can't see.
That's all right. Switchback. Yeah. So we got these big bikes for stopping. I'm gonna stop. Fun. Oh, got mud! I can get Brian going through the stream. Nice, Brian.
You brought the big bike, aren't you?
Huh?
You're happy you brought the big bike, right?
Yeah.
Fucking A.
I don't think I'd want anything smaller when I'm one.
Thing I need is some quads. Holy fuck.
Yeah, my left leg.
Hamstrings and quads are just saying fuck you.
My left leg was just like, yeah.
There goes Perky.
My right leg was alright. It was the left leg.
Total leg.
It looks pretty good.
It was awesome. So I'm getting my panorama.
Yeah, I'm doing that right now.
This is for the video.
It's not a Bruce though.
This is a trail I would burn myself out on. Because I would be cranking through this a lot faster than I am now. And I would crush my soul later because of it. Okay.
Okay, that's okay.
Nice job, Luis.
Huh?
Nice job through there.
Thank you.
Woo! Go, go, go. Go. I rode some of it, not all of it.
I read the whole thing.
That is, I know you did. You're gone. That's awesome. Look, just gonna get another video. Beautiful view after our hike a bike. Elizabeth Furnace. Actually, I think we're on Signal Knob. Yes. Sorry. Oh God. Woo. Oh, what's going on? Oh, I'm stuck. Whoa, that's a wheel catch. Yeah, I got it. I'm coming, Luis. Little sidewall rub. I'm good. Oh God. Woo. I'm coming by. That was a little sketchy.
Yes, it was.
Woo! Woo! Stay up. Oh, the legs are on fire. Oh, chunky. Yeah, I can't get up that way with you there.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were gonna go up that way.
Yeah, probably should have. My legs are on fire. Good job, Sydney, though. You're killing it. My pants. Yeah. That's sad. That's sad that I went around that. Pedal through it. Nope. Sorry, I got bounced. Come on. Nope. Tricky rock. Yeah. Over the big rocks to the line. Oh, yeah. Breaking sticks as I go by. Is that?
Nice muscle.
GoPro on. If you're not on, you need to be. Yeehaw! Holy shit, get the shit beat out of me. Woo! Things are getting tired. Oh, this section is crazy. If I remember correctly. Nope, I should have done it. Too much of a wuss. I had it. It's nothing about anything else we just did. How you doing? There's about 6 of us coming, so all different places though. Oh, that's a jump. Did you see it? That rock was so perfect. You're good. Hikers, how you doing? There's another guy behind me, and we're about 6 spread out, so. This is work, but it's fun. Woo! That was tight. Oh, that's tight switchback. Fuck that. Huh? That's fine. No, you're good.
Just let everything kind of.
That's fine. My hands could use the brake. This is fun. Awesome though. This is like what GoPros are designed for, man. You know? Oh shit. I had it too. Oh, I wouldn't have had that though. So much fun. Oh, that was a bottom bracket. Oops. Yeehaw! Woo! Wrong gear. I need to sit down for a second. handlebars. Fucking A, man.
Just taking a little break.
Fucking A.
That's fucking awesome.
Oh, it's just a switchback. That's that first switchback. We're almost down. Yeah. That was a pink rim. Holy fucking shit, dude. Woo!
Keep going away from
Yeah, let's keep going. We'll get back and get the beer out. You know? I want to get out my wet clothes. He's probably waiting for everybody else after we walked away from him, you know? But, oh shit! Whoop, as I fall. Damn it! First fall of the day. Thank God for knee pads. All right, let's try that again. Problem was, it wasn't in my pedal. There it is. You know, I was trying to get my pedal, and then I got bucked. You know what? I'll take a slow speed fall like that today. After riding everything else we've ridden, I'll take that. Today's been one of those days where it's like a lot of like partial seat downs, you know? Not quite all the way up, not quite all the way down. Been a lot of that. That's soft. That is soft. I hit a couple of those little whoopties. It was fun. Do you hear that? My brake rubbing? That's not me hitting the brake. That's me leaning the bike over and then rubbing. I gotta figure that out. I think there's one more guy behind me. Woo. Almost ran out of berm on that one. I almost ran out of berm. Yeah, that one was almost sending it off the edge sideways in the air. Woo! I tell you what, Garrett, you were getting it through a couple of those corners. That's gonna look cool in the camera. Yeah, you were leaning on the camera to do cool shit. Nice. Nice. Wrong fucking gear. There it is. Still the wrong gear, but we are back. Woo! Beer 30, bitches. Beer 30. Woo!
Man, my legs are so coasting.
Dude, I got 2,800 feet of climbing. I usually have a little more than everybody, so it's probably like 2,500 feet. Or 2,500 feet in under 12 miles.
Yeah.
That's fucking killer.
I am.
Woo! Woo! That was fun.
That was a leg burner.
That was fun. We stopped a couple of times. We stopped a couple of times to shake out the hands.
I pulled over on one of the big rocks, and I heard someone coming when I was peeing. I was like, okay, I'll wait for her.
So
Right back.
me and Garrett pretty much rode down the whole thing together.